Low bitrate parking mode.
Parking recording started. Parking recording started. Parking recording started. Recording 2 channels started. Recording 2 channels started.
This allows the dash camera to keep recording continuously in a small file size with the ability for audio recording, and this helps save space. I do find that it takes up about 1/3 of the average space of a normal video file while parked. This is currently the best parking mode option for Viofo dash cameras that we currently recommend. However, things are going to change when we get to the Viofo A329 parking mode. Stay tuned. Well, it's fully recording. All 4 dash cameras are completely recording me moving around, which is great to see and perfect. It's only going to lock the video if there's going to be any impacts to the vehicle at all while parked. Now, this is a very important test that we need to make sure to do, because we want to make sure that it does lock the actual video, because we've found in the past that sometimes certain firmwares will end up having issues. So we went through and tested all 4 of the Viofo 4K dash cameras, and we found that the A139 Pro, A229 Pro, and the A329 all lock the video. But the A129 Pro, which to me is a legacy product, didn't lock the video at all, which means it won't save it if an incident happens. The other thing we did find is the A139 Pro and A129 Pro degrade the video quality from 4K down to 2560 by 1440. So it actually changes it from 4K to 2K in the low bitrate recording, while the Viofo A329 and the A229 Pro are keeping it real at 4K resolution, even in low bitrate parking mode.